Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great today. I'm Dylan Xiang from China. Today I'm going to Taicang City, which is around 1 hour or something driving distance from Shanghai. There is a little creek here that I always fishing. The weather is gonna be raining and today as well. In this kind of weather, the fish is not very active in terms of biting your bait. So we'll see. So the depth of the water is close to 2 meters. There is a fern going down off the float just now, but I missed that. It's too quickly. Oh. So this is the pomfret. It's the most popular ones during summertime. It usually comes the first, sooner than the other fish. There are different kind of signals from the float depending on what type of fishes or what type of bites from the fish. Sometimes it goes down, sometimes it goes up. By the signal we can almost judge, predict what type of fishes are doing this kind of movement. So this is a topmouth counter. It's quite nice, you know. I'm gonna keep it for a little while. Ow, ow, ooh. Ow. Huh? It's the topmouth counter. These fish are really sly because they have been through so many rounds of fishing by people here, and they are quite on alert. You know, when they bite, they are very careful. In normal cases, they won't give you any second chance. You know. Oh my God. So this little insect, it has a very strange, very odd shape. He is using the bodies of his enemies as a disguise. He's carrying the coffin, the bodies of his food. Scary. Oh. Oh. So. Oh. Did you see that? A huge, giant carp that was just leaping out of the water. He must be laughing at me.
Oh. Oof. So normally when the top mouth is biting on the hook, the float will be lifting up rather than going down. So every fish has its unique way of biting the bait.
Whoa!
Another top mouth counter. This is the number 5 top mouth. Oh, wow. All right, let's call it a day. We have been fishing the whole day in the rains, in sun. I caught around 5 to 6 different species, small little fishes, pomfret, and also the top mouth. I hope you enjoy my video. I will see you next time.